Hi, today I'll be giving you one quick idea of teaching about 10 more than and 10 less than with the help of our Anantpatal 100 board. If you take a look at board here, you will see that I have pointed out to the number 60. So if I wanted to find what the number 10 less than 60 would be, I can use my Anantpatal board and simply count back 10 tiles. Starting next to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 less than 60 would be 50. If I wanted to count and find out what 10 more than 60 would be, I can use the very same process, except this time I will count forward instead of backward. Let's try that. Starting next to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more than 60 would be 70. Now take a minute and observe if there is something you notice. You may notice that 50, which is 10 less than 60, is right above 60, and 70, which is 10 more than 60, is right below 60 on the 100 board. This pattern or this trick can help you to use the 100 board to find what is 10 more than a number and 10 less than a number. This way you can start this exercise with kids in a playful manner with Anantpatal board. I hope you find this an easy way to teach your kids. I've also made a worksheet with increased difficulty, which you can download from the link in bio to practice this exercise with or without the Anantpatal board at home. You can also download 100 board control chart from there, which you can use here in place of Anantpatal board. Thank you for joining. See you next time.